Color combination.
Pebbles Kids Learning.
Blue and khaki, brown and beige, teal and caramel, green and beige, brown and green, sage green and ivory, charcoal and mocha, steel grey and charcoal, black and charcoal, champagne and white, blue and green, blue grey and beige, caramel and beige, maroon and pale brown, navy blue and beige, ivory and navy blue, hunter green and army green, burgundy and toffee, brown beige and charcoal grey, ivory and terracotta, khaki and army green, burgundy and terracotta, sage green and grey, tofu and silver blue, beige and brown beige, burgundy and black, nude and sand, Britain blue and black, cloudy blue and army green.
Pebbles Kids Learning.